Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. But now let's take a look at Milady Memecoin. Before we do that, let's see what's happening with the markets. As you guys know, today is the second last day of the month of October, and the month of October lived up to its hype. Of course, the October narrative, it honestly lived up to the hype. The first week of October, a lot of people were saying that, the history was not going to repeat itself. And fast forward a week and a half into the month, we saw explosion happening within the crypto space. And, we're about to close the month of October on a really positive note, and I think this momentum will carry on as we do go further into this year and closing out the year of 2023. But now let's take a look at ladies to see what is happening and what is yet to come for the price. Before I get into it, guys, as always, just a quick disclaimer that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. Ladies has seen a little bit of a minor retracement over the past few days, especially, from my last update. We're going to discuss exactly why that is and whether or not that is something to be panicking about. So if we're looking at the price right now, you guys can see it's currently sitting at 41,312, about 6 zeros in front of the price still. We're seeing a little bit of a minor retracement down about 0.5% in USD comparative. But if we're looking at it in Bitcoin comparative, it's up about 1.6% right now, which is, of course, great to see. Looking at its market cap, 37.4 million, as mentioned, seeing a little bit of a retracement in that, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $6.3 million. But if we're looking at the holder count, we're seeing new holders coming in, and of course right now the entire market is picking up, guys. So obviously ladies is picking up as well. People that have been knowing about Miladies over the past few months since it has been come to life, those are the people that have been accumulating, and obviously people want to have meme coins in their portfolio. So that is why new holders are coming in. And of course, ladies community is quite massive, and of course the team has been engaging quite a bit, because when it comes to meme coins, guys, engagement is everything. And I've said this countless of times: without engagement, you will lose interest from investors, and no one really would pay attention to your project. But ladies has been doing great in terms of engagement, so that is definitely a big positive thing, and I'm sure you guys know that. But let's take a look at the price. Don't really want to go through the socials because, of course, as mentioned, the team has been engaging quite a bit. But this is something I want you guys to be focusing on right now, which is the price. So you guys can see we're seeing a minor retracement after we got rejected 3 different times from that massive level of resistance, which I was discussing to you guys about. And now let me show you guys more in depth the importance of that. So basically, you guys can see this for yourself. There's been about 5 different times we've been rejected out of this level of resistance. So what does this tell us? This tells us that this resistance is not a weak resistance, and we actually need to close above this resistance in order for us to be on the bullish end, and especially retesting resistance like 5999, which we haven't seen since June of this year as well. Because guys, we haven't seen the price close above this level of resistance pretty much since we broke below it. So it's really important for the price of ladies to actually close above that level of resistance. And in order for it to close above this level of resistance, let me give you guys a visualization. So in order for us to close above there, we need to do something like this. We need to bounce back and forth above that resistance, which of course will become as a level of support. That is what we need to see happening. But as of now, that has not yet happened. But I think that will happen as we do go into the month of November. We're seeing a lot of interest coming in. This upwards trajectory is forming right now for ladies, and you guys can see this for yourself. Since October 11th, if you picked up some ladies, you have seen a gain of about 70%. And a lot of people, that are coming new into the markets, guys, they are quite not familiar with, of course, market caps, low cap, mid cap, and large cap coins. And a lot of people tend to, compare it with Shiba Inu and Dogecoin and even Pepe. Let me tell you guys one thing, Milady is considered a low cap coin. So new people that are coming into the markets, if you are investing in a low cap coin, which is below 100 million, even 100 million in a bull market is considered a low cap. I wouldn't really consider it even a mid cap. I would consider 250 a mid cap coin. But you can see the market cap right now is 37.4 million. This is peanuts compared to Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Floki, Pepe, and these type of coins. If you are looking into invest in these coins, if you are investing in coins like this, if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, guess what? You are willing to take more risk with these coins. Of course, if these coins pump up, your ROI is going to be insanely high compared to the likes of Pepe, Shiba Inu, and Dogecoin. But if these coins go south, and again, speaking about going south, these coins can get manipulated really, really fast, especially with futures trading. These wicks that we have seen in the past, 2 different wicks, retesting this resistance were due to manipulation. Futures trading is a huge thing, and manipulation can occur really, really easily with these type of meme coins, especially low cap ones. And this is what I want you guys to be paying attention to. Number one, I want you guys to stay away from leverage trading. If you guys are seeing a lot of these people saying, oh, you will make a lot of money leverage trading, let me tell you, absolutely not. Learn from me. I've lost thousands of dollars, with stop loss, with whatever you want to call it. It doesn't work out at the end of the day. And if you're a viewer of mine, I don't want you guys to be leverage trading. Just do spot trading, which basically means you buy a coin and just hold it, and of course, take your profits when you can. I think that is the best strategy, but at the end of the day, everyone has their own way of trading. But ladies right now, of course, is having a hard time breaking out its level of resistance. One main factor is we're not seeing much buying pressure coming in, but the more you retest the resistance, the weaker that resistance gets, and then you will smash passes. And I think in the upcoming days ahead of us, ladies will break out of there, especially now that Pepe is breaking out. We have seen a positive correlation with Pepe and ladies, and of course the entire meme coin market is heating up right now, so we could see something nice coming off for ladies. And I could see the next target, of course, being that $60 million market valuation, which again is almost double from these current price levels. About 50%, which is again a great thing. And then once we break out of that range, that's where the fireworks begin. So I think it's still on its way towards the upside. There's still a potential there for itself. But remember, guys, at the end of the day, this is a meme coin. So when you see profits, lock those profits in. Don't listen to these other guys on Twitter that are saying, oh no, why would you take profits? Why would you do this? Why would you do that? Absolutely not. If you're doubling your money, that's doubling your money. So lock that initial investment in and just keep your profits in and look for a different opportunity. That's how you get successful in the markets. You never want to be bag holding meme coins or even other projects, especially when you're seeing significant gains. And that's what I'm saying. When you're seeing significant gains, then you want to be locking the profits in. I cannot stress this enough. Looking at Bitcoin charts is looking great, to say the least. One of the best looking charts right now, and dominance right now has pulled down a little bit. So, we will see what happens, but I am expecting the month of November to be really, really nice as well. And I'm expecting ladies to break out of this consolidation phase. In order for ladies to break out of this consolidation phase, we need to get back above $60 million market cap. And I think we could see quite a big of a push coming ahead of us, because it's still listed on quite a few exchanges. Let me show you guys the exchanges that it's listed on right now. BingX, Gate.io, Bybit, BitGet, so KuCoin. So there are a few exchanges, KuCoin, a good one, that has listed this. So liquidity, I don't think is a problem right now. Obviously, you guys are going to point out that the 24-hour trading volume is quite low, but that's organic, guys. That will increase as time goes by. But I am really positive on ladies from the beginning. Of course, I think this coin has what it takes to make some gains. Of course, how I come up with these conclusions is, of course, I look at how the community reacts, how the team reacts. When you see red flags with the team dumping, millions of dollars of coins, the community just not being there, then, obviously that is a red flag. And, projects that launch around ladies' time frame, they're way below 10 to, even some are below $5 million market valuation. And we pretty much seen the bottom for ladies to be around this 19 to 20 million million market cap, and we haven't seen it go below that. So that is a great positive thing that I like looking at, and I'm really optimistic on this, and I think there are going to be some more upside, and I think it will reach a new all-time high, but of course it's going to be baby steps, not going to happen overnight. Let me know if you guys want to see more updates for ladies and what other meme coins you guys want me to cover. I know you guys want me to cover Geeko, which is coming. Just stay tuned sometime this week, and other than that, if you have not subscribed, please do so, and I love you all. See you tomorrow. Been Crypto ZX, and peace out.